Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to print a test page from a Brother MFC-J4340DW. Now this is nice and simple, can be done from the printer itself, using nothing but the control panel found on the front of the machine. Now unlike a lot of printers on the market, this particular one doesn't have a dedicated print test page function, but we can get to it nice and easily by pressing settings. And then we need to go into general setup, then into maintenance. And then the top option here is improve print quality. As I say, it's not a dedicated section, but the first option we have will get us there. So once you're in, press right, assuming you have paper in there. And the first part of this section prints us out a test page, which will look a little something like this, showing a very regular pattern of the 4 different coloured inks your printer uses, allowing you to easily check for any print quality issues that might be there. And going in this way handily takes you to the cleaning section, and you can choose the level of cleaning needed for all 4 of the colours your printer uses. Now if you want to see the improved print quality section in more detail, we have a dedicated video on our channel, so be sure to check that out. Otherwise, I hope you found this video useful. So let me know with a like if you have. If there's anything else you'd like to add, chuck it down in those comments. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.